There is something quietly magical about caramel, the way it pours, the way it softens a moment, the way it turns something simple into something indulgent. But this caramel is different. It is raw, nourishing, and glow giving, crafted not to spike or stress the body, but to support beauty, balance, and feminine flourishing. This raw collagen glow caramel is a foundational Bakerlita recipe, silky, creamy, and endlessly versatile. A caramel you can drizzle, swirl, glaze, fill, and even stir into your morning coffee as a gentle treat. Let me show you how this golden staple comes together. If you're drawn to wholesome baking that feels elegant, nourishing, and timeless, I invite you to subscribe and join me here each month. For the full recipe, click the link in the description box below. I am so grateful you are here. To begin, soak your cashews for at least 6 hours in warm water or overnight for the most smoothest, most luxurious results. In a high-powered blender, add soaked cashews first, followed by the remaining ingredients. For a perfectly silky blend, make sure your coconut milk is slightly warmed and your coconut oil is fully melted. This is one of the secrets to that velvet smooth texture. Next, add your powdered sweetener. Powdered is essential here. It ensures a caramel that is silky smooth with no graininess at all. Now comes an optional bloomery bonus. Collagen. It adds a beautiful sticky richness that traditional sugar creates, along with gentle protein and glow boosting benefits for your skin, hair, and health. For depth and true caramel character, add 5 to 6 large dates, a pinch of Himalayan sea salt, and just a touch of black strap molasses. Small amounts that bring warmth, balance, and richness. Finish with pure vanilla extract, and if you wish, a hint of caramel extract to deepen the flavor. Place the lid on and blend slowly and patiently until the caramel becomes silky smooth. This is where the luxury happens. The magic is in the blending. Look how it falls from the spoon like satin ribbons, cascading softly downward. This caramel is a must-have for filling cakes and cupcakes, glazing donuts, drizzling over desserts, or stirring into your morning cuppa for a nourishing indulgence. Pour into an airtight container, store in the refrigerator for up to 1 month, or freeze for up to 4 months to enjoy whenever beauty calls. To bake is to bless, to nourish the body and the soul with the art of slow, intentional living.